Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Today, a rather boring day again that leaves still the possibility intact that we could get a deeper pullback. Still possible. However, at the moment, Bitcoin is holding support, or obviously we could just follow here the count that I've got on the chart here to the upside in a C wave. It's basically the situation in which Ethereum is now as well. If you've just watched the Ethereum video, could also be that Ethereum has already started this ending diagonal to the upside in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and Bitcoin of course as well. And we have here an A-B structure that could lead to a C wave to the upside in a third wave. So the third wave consists of ABC because it's an ending diagonal. Okay, so I still have that channel here on the chart. It's not a very well-defined trend line, but let's see if we're following that. In addition to that, we still have the possibility this could just be a triangle pattern, which is also possible. We're following here several patterns, and then I have left this trend line on the chart because it was relevant here and we're just hovering around it. So yeah, it just is a bit of a boring day. Leaves us only really to be patient and to be watching if Bitcoin is holding that support area. As long as it does, it can move higher here in this diagonal pattern. Mentioned in the previous video that probably the best way for Bitcoin and the most likely way to put this fifth wave in up there is in a diagonal pattern, which again is a sign that Bitcoin is getting exhausted, the buyers are getting exhausted. But then again, you know, you see the range is getting tighter and tighter as well. So it might very well be a triangle trend continuation pattern, could certainly push to the upside. Possibility is that this orange wave 4 never finished here, but that this triangle actually was only part of a larger triangle. You can get sometimes the subwaves of an Elliott wave triangle can be a triangle itself, which makes it even more complicated. And that is sometimes why, you know, there's sometimes no point in getting a headache about the lower level wave counts, because what is in the end relevant is that these support areas or relevant resistance areas in a downtrend that they are holding. Now we're obviously getting back into a possible uptrend, so it's starting to get interesting. But today on Saturday, we see just consolidation. The market hasn't really made up its mind. Triangles always indicate indecision, and therefore we need to wait for the breakout direction. If all of this was a large triangle, also there are different ways of counting it. We could say this here was basically an A wave, then we had here the B wave, C wave, D wave, E wave, and we could now rally from here. That, however, wouldn't be much different to the other count I had on the chart. Again, therefore it's relevant as long as the support area is holding, we can push higher. If we lose that support area, which is here at $23,030 basically, then we would have to assume that we are coming down into this green support area, which goes down to 19,990. That is the overall relevant bullish support at the moment. So yeah, we'll keep you updated. Unfortunately, not much to update, but maybe remaining day will be a bit more exciting, but probably not. Then it will be tomorrow, most likely towards the weekly candle close in anticipation of the Fed interest rate decision. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.